Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Singapore. This is a package from Prima Taste. Maybe they got something new. I don't know exactly what's inside, but let's crack this open and have a look. Oh, cool! So every year for Chinese New Year, they always send me some nice little gift in the mail, and it looks like they've done it again. Let's see what they sent. Well, first we have a little tin of cookies. Check this out. These are Deluxe Almond cookies. I'm gonna give one of these a try. And here's what they look like. Yeah, these are really good. What you might not know, you might be familiar with Prima Taste Laksa, Prima Taste Curry, but Prima Group is like a big flour milling company. So they make all sorts of products that flour would normally go into, like cookies, pastries, you name it. These are really good. And then they sent these. These are their Supreme Pineapple Tarts. And here's what they look like. Cheers. Man, these are really good. They've got like a really soft, doughy outer layer, and then they're just like jammed full of like a pineapple paste, and it's just exquisite stuff. Well, cool. Thank you very much to the folks over at Prima Taste for sending this over. I really appreciate it. Very nice of you. And this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and treats every day. Have a good one. Bye.